Second game and the final game for tonight. Duwa lang taka game subong nga gabi. NME versus Rusi ang aton last game. NME versus Rusi last game for tonight.
Last game. NME versus Rusi.
Whoop! Out of bounds. Shout out daw sa aton ni mga live viewers.
Delis, pass to Ledesma. Back to Delis. Delis, wala. Rebound ni Bermeo. Bermeo, wala. Number 27. Pass to number 6. Number 6, Biakor.
Mabuyan! Basket.
Number 12, basket. Good for 2. Delis, pass to Calvo.
Tres.
Calvo, wala. Rebound ni Lapos. Pass to Calvo. Wala Japon. Shot clock 10 seconds. Bermeo.
Wala dyan.
Outside. Rusi ball. Remaining time 9 minutes.
Madam, shout out sa idol ta. Sino idol ta, ha? Michael Peralta Laurista. Shout out.
Tiago. Pass to number 27. Shot clock 12 seconds.
With Joy, sino idol ta di?
Shot clock
Lawagan.
9 seconds.
And basket again for Rusi.
Number 13, basket. Good for 2. Ledesma. Outside. Rossi ball. 4-4-0 in favor of Rossi.
Shout out kay John Aldan. Na mas magsipok.
Maagaw. Foul. Foul number 6, Shakos. That's the first personal foul, first team foul.
Shout out kay Bibi Jabi. Aling kay Bijoy. Latibaya.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10.
Nice.
Ledesma basket. Good for 2. Remaining time 7 minutes and 50 seconds.
Sure ball, sure ball. Nice. Nice pass. Basket.
Calvo basket. Good for 2.
Nan, correct.
4 all.
Ball for Rusi. Nice pass.
Number 12 basket. Good for 2. Remaining time 7 minutes and 18 seconds. Lapos. Pass to Ledesma.
Nice.
Ledesma.
Short.
Remaining time 7 minutes. Number 27. Foul. Foul number 21. Ledesma. That is first personal foul.
J.
First team
Bola
foul.
sa persa, J.
Remaining time 7 minutes. Shot clock 16 seconds.
6-4 ang score. 6-4. Chok po.
4-6-4. Favor of Rusi.
Tres, wala. Rebound for Rusi sa gihapon. Oy! Nice block.
Block by Ledesma. Pass
Go,
to
Jack.
Calvo.
Ay!
Basket.
Nice,
Good
nice.
for 2.
Sure ball lang ta.
6 minutes and 37 seconds remaining time.
Sa dining nga, pangari kami subong sa
Four,
Amelia.
Choco.
No! 3 points.
Bermeo. Pass to Lapos. Lapos. Foul. Foul number 12. That is first personal foul. Second team foul. Shot clock 13 seconds. Bermeo. Wala. Rebound ni Ledesma. Ledesma foul. Foul number 30. Number 30, first personal foul, third team foul.
Ledesma on the free throw line. Basket.
First round basket. Score 9-7 in favor of Rusi.
Basket.
Last round basket.
9-8.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 5 seconds.
9-8 ang score for Rusi Isabansi.
Number 13.
Tres! Wala.
Rebound ni Diles. Pass to
Ay!
agaw ni Siako. Number 27, drives to one na agaw.
Basket for
Basket
Rusi.
by number 27,
Thank you.
good for two.
5 minutes time out. Kuno ga? 5 minutes time out. Tres!
Outside.
Ball for enemy.
Shot clock 11 seconds.
Thank you sa stars. Jamie.
Score
Jamie.
11-8 in favor of Rusi.
Ano to? Bula. Ah, bula?
Remaining time 5 minutes and 25 seconds.
Uy.
Outside. Stepping on the line.
Yo, Javi. Oy! Nice. Lapos, Aliyah!
Lapos.
Uy,
Wala.
pa?
Time out. Rusi.
Time out for Rusi. Time out, time out.
Score 11-8 in favor of Rusi.
11-8 ang score for Rusi. Thank you so much na nag-send 75 stars. Thank you.
Warning, jersey number 15 for enemy Bermeo.
Nga ako na warning. Nga warning ko na.
Remaining time 5 minutes.
Ano ko na? Kung hindi. Hindi ang nga warning. Ah, okay, okay. Basket.
Basket, good for two by number 27. Score 13-8 in favor of Rusi.
There's a
Foul
foul.
number 27. Number 27, first personal foul. Fourth team foul. Number 13, outside. Rusi ball.
13-8 ang
Remaining time 4
score.
minutes and 30
For Rusi.
seconds.
13-8.
Score
Tres.
13-8 in favor of Rusi. Number 27, shot clock 10 seconds.
Nice, Jen!
Algo basket, good for two. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Score 13-10 in favor of Rusi.
Kaya ako kadlaw ba lang anon ko dahil?
4 minutes.
Rebound for enemy.
Ledesma. Drives, pass to Calvo.
Basket.
Good for 2.
Nice pass.
3 minutes and 45 seconds.
13-12. 13-12 ang score. 13-12.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10.
Basket.
7 basket. Good for 2. 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Boy po. Uy!
Outside. Remaining time 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Score 15-12 in favor of Rusi. Number 30. Rebound from Ledesma. Naagaw. Foul. Number 27. That is second personal foul.
Time out, time out, time out. Out time.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 55 seconds.
15-12. 15-12 ang score.
Ledesma. Pass to Lapos.
Nice!
Good for 2.
Maya, sir!
40 seconds remaining time. Score 15-14 in favor of
Nice,
Rusi.
sir!
Calvo.
Basket.
Good for 2.
Good job, Jello!
Score 16-15 in favor of enemy.
Abansin na ka, abansin na ka.
2 minutes and 20 seconds
Sorry,
remaining
kay
time.
Trusi, kay Bayas, di ko yan. Rebound for
Rebound by number
Rusi.
27.
Wala. Rebound again. Wala sa liwat. Rebound liwat. Wala sa giyap. Wow!
For Lapos. That is first personal foul. Third team foul. Remaining time 2 minutes and 6 seconds.
15-16. Wala.
First row, wala. Score 16-15 in favor of enemy.
Rebound.
Last row, jump ball.
Nice.
Rebound by Deles. Pass to Lapos. Lapos pass to Calvo. Calvo.
Nice.
Ledesma. Basket. Good for 2.
Ay, aso nito yan.
1 minute and
Ako ko
50
nang nagaod.
seconds remaining time.
Imogid natin, madama kay Memo. Ay, yes bala.
Number 30. Wala. Outside. Enemy ball.
Shadow ka bala, no? Na akong team ay.
Remaining time 1 minute and 38 seconds.
1 minute 38 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Ang score 15-18 for enemy.
Ledesma.
Nice!
Good for 2. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining time. Shako. Pass to number 27.
Uy! Basket! Nice move! By number 27.
Bermeo. Right.
There's a foul.
Foul number 6. That is second personal foul.
17-20. 17-20 for NE. Bermejo on the free throw line.
First throw, wala. Remaining time 1 minute and 8 seconds.
Hindi ma masyado.
Last throw, wala. Japo.
Oy!
There's a foul. Number 8, Deles.
Mayong gabi liwat, Fernandez, Denver.
First personal foul. Fourth team foul.
Kapanyapon ka na.
Remaining time 1 minute.
Number 27. Ay, kalain. Ginawanhan, dyan lang. Number 27 again on the free throw line. Basket.
Time out.
Time
Enemy.
out for enemy.
Score 2018 in favor of enemy.
Ang buta mo ito pa. Bakad to na sinaguro. Barangay.
Remaining time 1 minute.
Tapos manobra. Abi ko maano pa ka mo. Magalas mo ibi. Hoy, pa kuya ka, ano, wala pa kuya ka.
Lapos. Pass to Ledesma. Ledesma pass to Lapos. Fakes. Wala. Number 13. 45 seconds.
Uy! Nice move. May number 30.
30 seconds.
May Meralco player. Tadi ka. Nice, Jen! Wala na.
30 seconds.
30 seconds remaining.
25 seconds.
Nice, Jen!
20 seconds. 15 seconds.
15.
10.
Nice! Basket.
5.
Uy!
And the first quarter.
22-20. Check though.
And the first quarter score 22-20 in favor of enemy.
22-20 ang score. End of our first quarter. (22-20). Ano pa niya, Apon? Okay mo kung din lang. Ay mo kang bilhin pa niya, Apon. Biscuit. Naku, di gani.
Second quarter. Rusi.
Pagis na malay. Second quarter. 20-22 ang score for enemy.
Number 16. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Ay!
Naagaw. By number 13.
Ay!
Rabile.
Nabuyan pa. Escare.
Galam sir.
Ball for Rusi. Second quarter na kita. Oh.
Number 16. As to number 20.
Basket.
Good for 2.
Ay, ang buron pa. Go, Papi!
Aneo.
Tres, basket!
Aneo. 3 points.
Nice pa! Uy! Wala!
Number 20.
Basket!
Good for 2. Score 25-24 in favor of enemy.
25-24 ang score.
Sabuya. Outside. Pasino. Shot clock 12 seconds. Shot clock 10 seconds. Shot clock. Foul number
6?
number 6. 15.
15.
That is first personal foul. Sabuya, wala. Rebounding, Haneo.
Nice pa!
Haneo, wala. Op, op.
Oh. Ano?
Double technical. Op.
Jasper!
Time out, enemy.
Lost na out of the game. Ako pa kain doon eh. Dua, may nag-classic kasi out of the game. Rejected.
Number 15 for Rusi, ejected. Number 23 for enemy, ejected.
Uy, JR ka nagsulod kaya? JR! Nagsulod kaya?
Oh, palakpakan.
Asman right lang. Isa pa asman right luwag na record sila. Pag nangimo sila luwag, i-auto na gini.
Okay. Warning ah.
Maliwat, ejected na. Ang pangla. Score 25-24 in favor of enemy.
May bagulo na ayaw daan. Nice shot!
Pasino, basket. Good for two.
Parente ko na! Shout out ka El Pragas. Yo, wari kami sa Antilla, yo.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Uy!
Outside,
Uy,
enemy ball.
Yo, wari kami sa Antilla. Basta mga pwede. Sabuya.
Sabuya. Pass to Pasino. Pasino back to Sabuya na agaw.
Oh!
Number 20, pass number 15.
Basket!
Basket by number 69. Good for two.
26-27 ang score.
27-26 in favor of enemy. Remaining time 7 minutes and 22 seconds.
Uy!
Outside. Rusi ball. Shot clock 12 seconds.
26-27 ang score. For enemy, isa nga banse. 26-27.
Shot clock 9 seconds. Outside. Enemy ball. Remaining time 7 minutes and 7 seconds.
Nice! Parente ko na!
Basket. Good for two. Remaining time 6 minutes and 50 seconds.
26-29 ang score. For enemy.
Shot clock 9 seconds.
Basket.
Number 16, 3-1.
Wallace, 29 na ang
Score
score.
29 all.
Wallace, 29. Short, nice pa.
Rebound by Haneo. Basket. Good for two.
31-29.
Score 31-29 in favor of enemy. Remaining time 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Naagaw.
Nice.
Naagaw man. Iskare Bas.
Nice.
Good work.
Thank you so
5
much.
minutes and 55 seconds remaining time. Sabuya, Bastuhaneo.
Nice pass.
Good work.
Oh.
Foul number 29.
Salamat sa 75 stars.
43 seconds.
Jefferson Palomaria, thank you so much.
Number 29, first personal foul. First team foul. Score 35-29 in favor of enemy.
Uy. Basket.
Basket by number 69, good for two.
Tumba naman siya. 31-35 ang score.
Score 35-31 in favor of enemy. Outside. Lucy ball. Remaining time 5 minutes and 13 seconds.
31-35.
5 minutes and 13 seconds remaining time.
$35-31.
Number 69 plus number 15.
Basket. Oh, last one.
Rebound.
34-35. Shout out sa Kalion si Boys Madam, alin kay Jefferson Palomaria.
Andeo. Outside. Enemy ball.
Time out ko na, time out.
Time out. Rusi.
Basta na tanan na bola.
Score 34-35 in favor of enemy.
Sila di sa bunga table, oh. Shout out sa table, say hi.
Ito mo bag?
Wala si ano, si ganini. Si Elmar. Kaya Fraga. Yo, warito kami diyo.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 51 seconds.
Thank you so much, yo, sa 75 stars. Thank you, yo. Thank you, yo. Hari kami diyo. Galing kayo nag-aulan.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Neo. Basket. Good for two.
Huwag ka na makaroon na hangin. Mandam ko lang sa ako, no?
Number 9.
Oy! Rebound.
Rebound by Pasino. Pass to Sabuya. Sabuya pass to number 29. Number 29.
Basket, wala.
4
Let's
minutes
go.
and 20 seconds.
34-37 ang score.
Number 69.
Wala.
Rebound by Pasino. Naagaw.
3.
Outside.
Basta na naman ang bola.
Rusi ball. Shot clock 16 seconds. Four minutes. Neo. Pass to Iskare.
Basket! Nice pass! Nice pass pa.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Score 39-34 in favor of
Uy!
enemy. Foul. Foul number 16.
34-39 ang score.
Personal foul. First team foul.
34-39 for NME.
Sabuya. Takes. Pass to Haneo. Haneo.
Nice pass!
Ganda
daw sa pa, ganda daw sa pa.
34 in favor of enemy.
42-34 ang score. 42-34. Shout out kay J. Robert Gumban. Haling kay Ray Dominic
Shot
Manay.
clock 14 seconds.
Uy! Uy! Rebound! Rebound!
Rebound by number 9.
Nice!
Sapuya pass to Haneo.
Nice pass!
Basket. Good for 2. Remaining time 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
44-34 ang score.
Pasino. Pasino. No ball. Violation. Double dribble. Remaining time 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Shout out J. Robert Gumban.
Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10.
Up! Up! Up!
Shot
Uy!
clock 5.
Shot clock.
Shot clock 5. Remaining time 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Score 44-34 in favor of SE.
Reserve time out. Why na? Basket.
Number 20 basket. Good for 2.
Why na ako time out, sir?
Rosie,
Why na? At time? Time?
Remaining time 1 minute and 35 seconds. Number 20.
Nice pass.
Shot clock 20 seconds. Remaining time 1 minute and 28 seconds.
1 minute and 28 seconds remaining on our second quarter. 36-44.
36 in favor of enemy.
36-44 ang score.
Number 16. Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10.
Rebound
by
for Sabuya.
Pass to Haneo. Haneo, pass to Pasino. Pasino.
Basket!
Good for 2. 1 minute.
36-46 ang score for NME.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Number 69. Wala. 48 seconds remaining time. Is
Nice
correct.
ball.
Basket. Good for 2. 40 seconds.
36-48 ang score.
35 seconds.
Wala. Rebound again
Shot
for
clock
Lucy.
14.
And basket.
25
38-48.
seconds.
Nice.
18 seconds. 15 seconds.
Uy!
10. 5.
Nice. Wala pa. Isa pa. Basket. Nice follow up by Sabuya.
Half done. Score 52-38.
Gawa ko ng bakit pare. 5 seconds na lang ako. 5 seconds no? Pero naman na lang.
Ipos pa. Di na waga ano.
5 seconds na kaya stop.
Mag-5 ko no.
Hindi na yan. Para rin madaso na imo yan niyo. Pero gutang niya ka na sa mga. Hindi siya manyaki. Ganun ako.
Ipos na pa. Score 38-52 and of our second quarter. Abansi ang enemy. Welcome back, Jeb! Welcome back! Jeb, nagputi ka na yun, Jeb, ha? Sana all. Para ay, ano, kami question and answer, kami na rep ay. Question and answer, kami na rep ay.
Pero yung saktong sabat ni Dua, yung nga, kami tatlong sabat, ako na yung emotion, makirinig. Pero kung nagamit ko ng parang nito, sa rin lang, sa lang. Hindi na ako na magagawa sa
Ano, mati mo sa mga aton, yung mga referee. Alain kasi ilaw ko suga. Bianca! May lang ka na ginaano tayo. May lang ka na ginaano tayo. Shout out sa aton Ginoong Ginalaran 2022. Gabriel Juneo. Oh, layaw niya yung kagabi. Ano?
Ba't madapat? Dahil nagpapagpamitulog.
Third quarter na kita. Matulog ka pa yaw. Wala ka magatulog eh. Tapos 4 tulog. Tapos 4 tulog. Tapos aga pa sa bugtaw.
Don't touch me, I'm immortal.
Pag gani ka, huwag ka kadutlan, ano? Wala ka kadutlan, gani ulan.
Huwag na sa katulog, sulayan yung pa.
Third quarter. Welcome back, Jeb Habilona. Ay, Habilona. Hopilenya, gali. Sorry.
Opilenya.
Welcome back.
Pass to Sabuya. Sabuya drive. Pass to Bermejo.
Basket. Third quarter na kita. Third kayo, wala na player. Hindi pili siya.
Rebound by Bermejo.
Oh!
Outside.
May meron na player. Tagani sa
Albo. Pass to Palencia. Palencia. Beats. Palencia. Rebound by Bermejo.
Outside?
Outside the Rusi ball.
Si Bermeo. Ah.
8 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Outside enemy ball. Score 54-30.
Tatlong bola. Ano, tatlong bola?
Enemy.
Tayo na.
Opilenya. Pass to Calvo. Calvo.
3 points!
Score 57-30 in favor of enemy.
Ano nga na kayo? Ay!
Rebound by Bermejo. Pass to Sabuya. Sabuya to Opilenya. Naaga. 8 minutes. Number 27. Foul. Foul number 18. Palencia. That is first personal foul. First
Ay, wait,
team foul.
sorry. Shout out kay Robert Gumba, naling kay Miggy Martin Miguel Lison. Patrona. Shout out. Di na damari kami sa Antilla, Barangay 4.
3 points.
3 points.
By number 8. 457-41 in favor of enemy. Valencia. Offensive foul. Number 18, Valencia. Second personal foul.
Wala na, nagsigrilyo pa.
Number 13. Pass to number 8. Back to number 13. Pass to number 2. Number 20, wala.
Uy! Saba! Rebound!
By number 20.
Nice.
Rebound by Sabuya. Pass to Calvo. Outside. Rossi ball.
Sigrilyo pa.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Score 57-41 in favor of enemy.
Uy!
Naagaw ni Calvo. Pass to Hovelenia.
RGP.
Number 27.
Follow up, wala. Rebound for
Rebound by
enemy.
Sabuya. Sabuya. Drives pass to Valencia. Foul. Time out. Losing.
Masaya mo? Jack! Tatlo nga! Tatlo nga! Lutayan ka lang!
Foul number 28. That is first personal foul.
Score 41-57.
First team foul. Score 57-41 in favor of the enemy.
Sir Lapos, hindi na sa ginawa.
6 minutes and
Hindi na ka ginawa,
44
JR.
seconds.
Boss, ko na sa Elena. Bot lang. Sino na siya? JR! Siomay ka din, siomay, siomay. Nan! Ang balaan daw.
Last row basket.
May siomay ka.
Naagaw ni Calvo. Calvo stops.
Bam! Je, may siomay ang sakon.
Score 61-41 in favor of enemy. Number 8.
Tres!
Wala. Rebound by number 27. Foul. Foul number 15, Bermeo.
Ay, dahil mo yung GR lang. Uy! Ay, dahil yung GR yan.
Remaining time 6
Number
minutes and
28
9
on the free
seconds.
throw line. Uy, wala.
First throw, wala. Last
Basket.
throw, basket. Score 61-42 in favor of enemy.
Nice, Je.
Valencia, what side step?
Ay! Tukuha! Tukuha ka daan!
Shot clock 14 seconds. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 27, wala. Rebound by number 30. Up.
Oh, there's a foul.
Wow.
Shout out kay Rolly Aneo kag Manong Case nga wala di subong si Manong Case mo.
Second
Ato sa sapatag.
Second
Sa patag. May family of
remaining time 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Nice!
Wala. Rebound by Bermeo.
Ay!
Jabal. Outside. Rossi ball.
Shout out Calle 11, Barangay Rizal.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 20 seconds.
42-61 ang score! Time out.
Time out, Rusi.
Time out for Rusi. Ang score 42-61 for
461-42.
Wakal-wakal daw sa akong daw. Yawa sa akin daw yung sa akong niya. Ng golf. Sa puno na naperdihan namin. Gani. Magic 4 sa kinalaran niya.
Sabuya. Pass to Calvo. Calvo.
Short.
Rebound by Rusi. Number 30 drives outside. Let him be ball.
Sinama pala kakuan sila players.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Sabuya. Pass to Hopelenya, pass to Calvo. Calvo, pass to Hopelenya. Shot clock 12 seconds. Bermejo, basket. Good focus. Score 63-42 in favor of enemy.
63-42 ang score.
Number 2. Shot clock 12 seconds. Rebound by Bermejo. Pass to Calvo. Calvo.
Uy!
Wala. Rebound by Hopelenya. Hopelenya.
Ay!
Rebound by Calvo. Shot clock 15.
Why again?
4 minutes.
Poga. Tatlo ka bilog. Ay, diba?
Foul number 15, Bermejo. Second personal foul. Fourth team pass.
Number 28 on the free throw
55
line.
seconds.
Basket.
First round basket. Score 63-43 in favor of enemy. Last round basket. Okay, main time 3 minutes and 50
Lapit na lang,
seconds.
Jay! Lapit na lang, Jay! Lapit na lang, Jay!
Sabuya. Pass to Hopelenya. Hopelenya.
Short.
Short.
Sa kubay na ko, hindi kami sa Amelia. Uy!
Foul. Foul number 25.
Time out!
Time out. Enemy.
Time out! Time out! Time out! Jay, may sumay ka sa ako na.
Foul.
Ano nga nga magampang?
Hopelenya first personal foul. Penalty.
Both teams? Sana.
Si penalty na. Okay, main time 3 minutes and 36
Ngapo-apo
seconds.
na sa'yo. Ngapo-apo na na.
Baby boy number 18, shoot.
Wala ka sa ginalaran. Wala man to Japon ang pang sa ginalaran, subong. 28 Pama on the free throw line. Basket.
First round basket.
And another
Last round
one.
basket. 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time.
46-63 ang score.
Sabuya, pass to Bermejo, pass to Valencia. Valencia, speed.
Uy!
Rebound by number 8. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 16. Foul. Number 9, Calvo. Penalty.
On the end.
Calvo first, personal foul. Score 63-46 in favor of enemy.
Basket.
Last row of basket. Three minutes.
Tingnan ano.
Number 27,
Nice
number
pass,
20,
basket.
Good for two.
Score 49-63. Ay, tatlungan nyo!
Sa clock 15 seconds.
Kumara ko, kita ni Mamera. Ulo,
Ten. Sa clock 5. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining.
Time out! Dipautan.
Basket. Score 63-51. Favor of enemy. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Rebound by number 13.
Uy!
Wow!
51-63 ang score. 51-63. Ara naman!
Number 2, first, personal foul. Third, team foul. First row basket. Remaining time 1 minute and 43 seconds.
Uli ka.
Last row basket. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Number 13, pass to number 2.
Ano to ah? Ano yan?
Number 2. Shot clock 12 seconds. Team Darmejo.
Diyan!
Outside, Lucy ball. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Bawi! Bawi! Ano yung ilang show? May mo ka ron?
1 minute. Shot clock 16, 55 seconds. Outside, 47 seconds.
51-65 ang score.
40
51-65.
seconds. Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 12. 30 seconds. Shot clock 18 seconds. Shot clock 15.
Time out.
Time out, enemy. Remaining time 16 seconds. Seconds remaining time. 10, 5,
Nice! Shout out kay Shakon. End of third quarter.
and the third quarter score 65, 53.
53.
Enemy.
Shout out kay Shakor. Halin kay Shasha Nebria Senesio. Shout out Shakor. Mayong gabi. Shout out sa tanan. Galantaw sang aton live coverage of the Ballers League games. Ang aton nga hampang last game for tonight. NME versus Rusi. Ha, buwa? Ano ko na buwa? Oh, go na. Hindi na sila ako na magpahuway. May balon, bla biskwit. Wala di magutman.
Number 16, basket, good for 2.
55-65 ang score.
Aneo. Naagaw, number 15, drive.
Oy! Fifty-five, 65 ang score.
Aneo. Pass to Deles.
Basket! 55-68.
11 minutes. Agaw. Aneo. Pass to number 13.
Basket.
Basket. Good for 2.
Nice pass! Ay, basta naman ang bola. $70-55.
Third minute.
On fourth. 10 minutes 45 seconds remaining on our fourth quarter. Fourth quarter na kita. Basket. 3 points for Rose.
470-50 in favor of enemy. Rebound by Ledesma.
Short basket.
Basket. Good for 2.
58-72. Uy!
Basket. Good for 2. 10 minutes remaining.
Number 16.
472-60 in favor of enemy.
Nice pa!
Aneo wala. Rebound by Ledesma. Shot clock 10 seconds.
Basket!
Ledesma basket. Good for 2.
60-74.
460-74 favor of enemy. Shot clock 14 seconds.
There's a foul.
Foul number 13 is tied. Remaining time 9 minutes and 34 seconds.
Uy!
Shot clock 12 seconds. Foul. Foul number 8, Dennis. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Number 28 again on the free throw line. Wala.
First row, wala.
Second throw basket.
Last row, basket. Neo. Pass to Deles. Deles pass to Iscare. Pass to Ledesma.
Nice!
Ledesma wala. Outside. Rossi ball.
Ball for Russi. Ang score, 61-74.
Remaining time 9 minutes and 14 seconds. Score 74-61 in favor of enemy. Both teams na natin.
Hindi ka na magkuhan kayo, hindi ka na mag... Ha?
Sub.
Naku. Naku yan.
Remaining time 9 minutes.
Live na ako din.
Aneo. Pass to Pasino.
Basket! Nice pass!
Iscare basket. Good for 2. 8 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time.
8 minutes 45.
Score 76-61 in favor of enemy.
76-61.
Ledesma. Ledesma drives.
Basket.
Good for 2. 8 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time.
61-78 ang score.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 7 seconds. 5.
Hoy!
Aneo drives basket. Good for 2.
80.
7 minutes and 50 seconds. Time out. Russi.
61-80 ang score.
Score 61-80 in favor of enemy.
Time.
Russi time out ang enemy sa lang. Win pa niyang time out, isang third to one time out.
Ang last na ako naman lang niyo. 7:51 remaining.
Natay mo sa dua per quarter. Dua per quarter. Sapa. Mali per quarter ito wagin natin, no? So, tingnan mo first to court. Wala tayo pero bet. Tingnan sa third quarter niya. Wala tayo ba dua din tayo, di ba? Dua ka mo tayo. Dua man per quarter, dua. Dua per quarter. Kada quarter, ah. Ay, siya pa na tama. Isa na lang nila. Isa na nila dua kasi kaya sa time ko dua lang.
Sige, Rose, may sama tayo out. Enemy, dua pa. Remaining time 7 minutes and 50 seconds.
Basta dua-dua ako naka-time out ah. Gani. Ha? Aryo? Tay dutay naman din.
Number 16.
Thank you so much sa 75 stars.
Wow.
Nico Romatebe.
Number 23, Pasino.
Nico Romateb. Kajopet Vendor. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much.
Pasino, second personal foul.
61-80, 62.
First row basket.
62-80 ang score.
Last
63.
row basket. The remaining time 7 minutes and 35 seconds.
$63.80 ang score.
Iscare, shot clock 12 seconds. Pass to Pasino.
Basket.
Pasino basket. Good for 2. 7 minutes
Salamat
and
kayo
20
sa
seconds.
stars. Pasay si Paul Diaz ang gold. Madam, ara ah. Ka-score na di sa.
Shot clock 13 seconds.
Uy!
Neo, basket. Good for 2. 7 minutes remaining time.
63-84 ang score.
6 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Score 84-63. In favor of enemy. Casino basket. Good for 2.
63-86.
6 minutes and 40 seconds.
Nice.
Number 27. Pass to number 16. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Tres. Basket. Yep.
Number 27. 3 points.
Uy! Nugon.
6 minutes and
Shout out
12
kay Nico
seconds
Kongaga,
remaining
Panda
time.
Sarusi. Si Bitamor, number 8 from Nico Romateb.
Rebound by Casino. Pass to Ledesma. Ledesma pass to Haneo. Basket. Good for 2.
Shout out kay Batimore, number 8. Halin sa imo migo nga si Nico Romateb. Batimore, manigo, Batimore. Ay, wala pa. Rebound. Ay, Jeb. Outside.
Time out. Enemy. Remaining time
66-88.
5 minutes and 44 seconds.
66-88 ang score. Isa na lang ako na time
Both
out.
teams have one time out na.
Ang ano naman pa.
4-8-8-66 in favor of enemy.
Ang tiil doon ni Jaspero.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 44 seconds.
Ano, ay kasuga ah? Ay, ara na. 66-88 ang score for NME. Ball para sa Rusi. Tres! Wala, rebound.
Rebound by
For
Sabuya.
Sabuya. Yung pasa kay Pasino. Basket.
Casino basket. Good for 2.
66.
Score 90-66 in favor of enemy. 5 minutes and 20 seconds.
5:20 remaining on our fourth quarter. Wow!
Basket. Good for 2 by number 27. 5 minutes.
5 minutes remaining on our fourth quarter. 5 minutes.
Offit Lenya. Shot clock 12 seconds. Shot clock 10. 8 shot clock. 5.
Uy! Basket.
Casino basket. Good for 2. 4
92-68.
minutes and 37 seconds remaining time. Number
Basket.
27 basket. Good for 2. Score 92-70. Favor of enemy.
Basket again.
Sabuya.
Sub.
Basket.
Sub.
Good for 2.
Sub. Sub. Rep.
Foul.
Sub. Sub.
Sub.
Foul sino? Foul ref. 20.
Foul number 28. Offit Lenya.
Rose on
First
the free
row
throw
basket.
line.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 12 seconds.
Basket.
Last row basket.
Oy. Nice, wala.
4 minutes. Foul number 27. Third personal foul.
Sorry
Sub.
guys, bias gid kuya.
Remaining time 3 minutes.
Shout out da madam kay masyata after. Okay. Ready ka na da? Ready na da? Boss Joey, ready na ba? Galumpat naman daw. Madam, sa di inaari kami sa may Antilya. Uy!
Foul! Foul number 9, Calvo.
Ari kami sa Antilya, covered court sa Barangay 4.
Penalty. Sub.
Nasab. Gala.
Score 94-72 in favor of enemy. First throw basket. Remaining time 3 minutes and 38 seconds.
Rebound for AJ Lumabang. Uy! Bawa.
Basket.
Ante Elmo na maembot na lang sa inyo. Namian, di ka masasagay ka ng
3
patlompat.
minutes and 20 seconds. Shot clock 14 seconds. 3 minutes and 10 seconds.
Ay, tatlo ka nyo, may time pa ba lang? Nugay ka mo da.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10.
Nice pass. Wala. Isa pa gid. Para na.
Basket. Good for 2. 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
2 minutes 45.
94-77. Favor of enemy.
Nice. Tabo kay Jeb man.
Time out enemy.
Time out for enemy. 2 minutes 34 seconds remaining.
2 minutes and 34 seconds. Score 94-77 in favor of the enemy.
Nano sa dalidi. Dalidi. Okay. Back into the ball game. 2 minutes 34 seconds remaining. On our fourth quarter, 77-94. Nice pass, too strong. Hello! Nice save. Nice pass, basket.
Basket. Good for 2. Remaining time 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Uy!
Rebound by number 29.
Nice!
Last 2 minutes.
79-96 for NME. Uy! Uy, short. Uy! Basket.
Bermeo. Basket. Good for 2.
79 by the
Outside. 1 minute and 33 seconds.
Ubos oras.
Score 98-79.
98-79.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Meralco. Basket.
3 points. By number 13. 1 minute and 15 seconds.
82-98.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 12. 10. 7. 5. 56 seconds.
82-98.
50 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 17 seconds.
Mar, wala ka, Mar. Wala kami tubig, Mar. 82-98 ang score.
48 seconds.
Nice job. Welcome back, Jeb. Hopelena. 182 ang score.
35 seconds.
35 seconds remaining.
Shot clock 16 seconds.
Uy.
26 seconds. 22 seconds. Shot clock 16. Basket 15 seconds.
82-102.
8. 5.
So, basket.
Basket. Good for two.
84-102 final score. Nagulan na ba yung madam? Wala makapiyot ka gala. Ay, ahay. Sige, sige, sige. Congratulations, NME. Buti na lang kung di kiganta ka mo. Congratulations, our best player of the game. Rolly Aneo, nga inspired subong.
Rolly Aneo, best player of the game.
Best player of the game, Rolly Aneo, nga inspired subong kay May Galantaw. Hoy, pa-picture ka na, Rolly. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Thank you, thank you.